Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install and activate Village Cities add-on on Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Minecraft Marketplace. Then we need to wait for a couple seconds here. On search, you just need to write Village Cities and press enter and wait until an add-on will pop up. This is the add-on here. You need to press it and then you can buy this add-on here, and you can buy it from €6 or 990 coins. So I will show you I will not buy this. I will show you with another game how you can exactly activate, download and install, but the process will be basically the same. Okay, so after purchase you should get download button, and then you need to wait a couple of seconds here. Then you need to press download button and wait until download process is done. And after it's done, you can activate add-on here, or you can do this. You can press play, select the world you want to play with, that particular mod, and then you need to go to behavior packs, available, and then activate that particular add-on here. If you want to get it on the new world, what you need to do here is to press create new world, then go to behavior packs and do the same here. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.